Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the first chapter, sets. In this chapter, we will study we will study the introduction, the definition of sets and their representations, subsets, power set, universal set, Venn diagrams, and the operations on sets. The set theory, it was developed by German mathematician George Cantor. He first encountered sets while working on the problems on trigonometric series. Today, in every field, the concept of sets are used. They are also used to define the concepts of relations and functions. The study of geometry, sequences, probability, all require the knowledge of sets. Now, let us see what is a set. Set is a well-defined collection of objects. That collection of objects in which the objects they are well defined. There is no ambiguity whether a particular object belongs to our collection or not, then that collection is of objects is a set. And the elements which are present in the collection, they are the objects which are present in the collection, they are called the elements of the set. Let us see few examples of it. Suppose we have odd natural numbers less than 10. Then the odd natural numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7. And this collection is not ambiguous. No other element will belong to this collection. So this collection is an example of a set. The rivers of India, they are also well known to everyone. So this collection is also a set. The vowels in the English alphabet, they are A, E, I, O, U, and no other element is a vowel. So we can say that this collection is also a set. If I give a person to write the set collection of vowels, then they will write A, E, I, O, U only and no other element. All the persons will write the same collection. There is no difference. Now, various kinds of triangles. It is also a set. Prime factors of 210. The prime factors of 210 are 2, 3, 5 and 7. So it is also a set. The solution of the equation x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Here, the solution of this quadratic equation is x equal to 2 and x equal to 3 only. So this collection is also a set. There is no ambiguity in its solution. Now let us see few examples which are not set, like collection of beautiful flowers. This is not a set because for some person a particular flower, suppose rose, is a beautiful. For some other person it may not be beautiful. So here the word beautiful is not well defined. So it is not a set. Collection of tall students of class 11. So here also the tall word is not well defined. For someone, a 5-inch tall student may be 5-inch. If the height of student is above or equal to 5 inch, he or she may be tall for someone, but for other he or may she will not be tall. So किसी के लिए 5 इंच वाला बच्चा भी टॉल हो सकता है और दूसरा हो सकता है ये माने कि 6 इंच या 6 इंच से बड़े बच्चे को मैं टॉल मानता हूँ. So in this collection there is an ambiguity whether a particular student will be tall or not. So it is not well defined. The tall word is not well defined, so it is not a set. Now the collection of top 5 talented writers of India. So here also the top 5 talented. So talented word is not well defined. In which sense we use this talented word? So for different persons this collection may be different. So it is also not a set. That's all for today. Thank you.